YouTube, just kind of showing you the Parrot SWING and showing you what it's all about flying indoors. You can see how well it flies. It's so simple to fly. We can demonstrate how it takes off and lands real quick. Go ahead and land it real quick, Ernie, and kind of show. And then we'll show it here.
Right there.
Taking it off in airplane mode 1. Flies great for indoors. And you actually can put it into a quad mode. So it brings it back. And he's going to bring it back and put it right into quad mode. And you're going to see how quick it is. And then go ahead and take it into a landing. Show how quick it is to bring it back. So now from the quad mode. And here it is real quick to land. So hey guys, check it out. Look on. I'll have a link to my Amazon, so you can go ahead and get one. They're pretty good. $120. Take care.